guys, doing another one. I am playing another Battle Cat video. Ooh, my Gamatoto is done. Nice. Okay, not the best. I've had better, but still good. Still can't make any towers. I am not doing another challenge battle. Just jeez, that was so hard. The legend begins! I actually know what's gonna come out of here from the last one. I'm not gonna tell you because I'll ruin the fun. You'll figure it out. Trust me. You won't actually figure it out. It's just so... You won't know until you see it. Alright guys. Alright, we're doing some damage. Prepared for the thing that's gonna come. Got me Kalisa. Guessing it's gonna help. There it is! Porky! Chubby Porky! And boy is he strong! I bet you if he destroys my Kalisa, I'm gonna be so mad. But he's being pushed back, so it should do. Yes! He's dead. We did it. To be honest, that wasn't actually as hard as the Metal Hippo we did before. But still, it's fun. It's a little good. Still change. And we did it. Got some coal. Ooh, we can... Let's see what we're gonna get. A Toyton cat. Alright, he's a bit stronger now. Started a thing where I'm just going to use everything. I'm not going to exchange anything for XP. Anything I can get, I'm going to use it. Because I made a lot of mistakes before. From exchanging really good things. Yeah, into XP. So, let's try again. The legend begins. In Bouncy Park. Just get a rover cat, should do most of it. Now I'm just going to do a massive save up for Kalisa. Probably the best thing I have. Here comes Penguin. P-A-P-P-O-N-A. Penguin. Got two of them. I think there's going to be a lot more. I seem to remember last week. Because this is 2-star. The legend begins. So I remember. I think all the levels are just the exact same as this. But everything's a lot stronger. But not for me. Kalisa. Done. We got some boat ride. If another penguin comes, I'm gonna be so mad. I don't think there will be though, because I think from last time. There's only a few that come, not a lot. We're penguin free here. And we've done it. Ooh, we got bricks. More bricks, and we'll be able to build another house, a little base and castle stuff thingamajig. Let's see how far we are in the video. 5 minutes. Another one. Another one. A gentle smile. I think my new method is just going to be one. Just use one rover cap at first and save up. Still saving. Can't get the bug right, but at least it's better. Done. I seem to remember there's the one that comes in this. Which, in case if you have never seen this game or played this game before, is the elephant. But I think we're dealing with some gory gorillas, which aren't too hard to defeat. Still, they have a scary look, but they're not too strong. And that should be good. I'm done the level. Another toy 10 will not have to do the trick. I think I might just make this video a bit shorter than the other one I did. But I don't know. I'm gonna upgrade my Robocat if I can. And I can by 1,000. Yay! That sounded really depressed. Alright, we'll do one more. Like I said last time. Guardian of the Ranch. Is this actually the last one, or is there another one? All I know is that one of these has a Lebuan. I think that's how you say it anyways. I don't know, I haven't checked his name. Might be Lebuan, might even be Jacob. I don't know. Just get me Robocat and it should do most of the stuff. It's just little guys, or I think the level 1 will come. Come on, Kalisa, I need you. I don't really, it's just gonna finish the round quickly. More quicker. And there she is. I knew this was the level where level 1 came. Level 1, don't even think about taking out my Kalisa. Don't do it. You did it. Right! You deserve that. Couple meat shields, well, guys. Just gonna get as many of these as I can. They're really cheap, so might not get that as well. As many of those as I can. And we did it. I didn't even really need all those. I just did it for fun at this point. Alright, I did say that was going to be the last one, so like and subscribe, etc, etc, and bye.